Troops, good evening. Dito ako ngayon sa Prince Supermart. Papakita ko sa inyo different types of Unilever Company merch. Rexona Sachet, Part 28. For men and women. Meron tayong Rexona Passion Dew Lotion, 48 hours for girls po yan. Sachet.
Requesting 1 GMB personal.
3 ml po siya.
1 GMB personal counter band please.
Rexona Passion. Next, meron din tayong Rexona Motion Sense Shower Clean Dew Lotion, 48 hours, sweat and odor protection. $3 ml po siya din, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Rexona Power Dry Brightening Dew Lotion, 48 hours protection, sweat and odor protection. 3 ml po siya. You can buy it for any grocery stores o kahit sa mga small stores, mga malls, grocery stores. And next, meron din tayong Rexona for Men, Ice Cool, Motion Sense. 3 ml po siya. Ice Cool. Yan. Next, meron din tayong Rexona for Men Quantum Dry Dew Lotion Sachet. Unilever po yan, 3 ml. You can buy it from any grocery stores o kahit small stores. Review natin yung Unilever company merch Rexona Sachet, Part 28 Sachet for men and women. Sachet po siya. Yan. Rexona Quantum Dry for men. Rexona Ice Cool for men. For girls, Rexona Powder Dry Brightening Dew Lotion for girls. 48 hours protection. Meron din tayong Rexona Motion Sense Shower Clean Dew Lotion. Yan. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch video. Rexona men's and girls sachet. For men and girls sachet, Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching. God bless us all, always.